Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make Adobe After Effects run faster. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Alright, let's get started. So the first method is go to Edit, then go down to Purge, then go to All Memory and Disk Cache. As you can see, I'm using 1.1 gigabyte of my RAM. I'm going to clean it. So press OK. And the next method we are going to do is lowering the resolution of the pre-rendering. As you can see here, I am using full resolution. So if I lower my resolution to half, the output of the video is going to be lower in quality. So it will use less RAM and cache. And lastly, but not least, the last method is dedicating more RAM for Adobe After Effects. So to do this, go to Edit, go down to Preferences, then General, then go to Memory and Performance. And here you can set the RAM reserve for other applications in the top here. As you can see, sliding to the left will reserve less RAM to other applications and more RAM for Adobe After Effects, while doing the opposite is sliding to the right side. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.